Welcome. In this video I will show you how to increase the performance of your PC by limiting your battery charging options on LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So first thing we need to do is to click on the battery icon right here, then select the same icon over here. This will transfer us to power and battery section in the settings, and here we'll have to select the power mode, and then since our device is plugged in right now and I want to increase its performance, I have to change this one option to best performance mode, and this way my device will use all of its powers, hardware power, so it will increase the battery usage. But since our device is plugged in, I have plenty of it and more. And if you want to use the best performance on battery, so like with your cable detached, unplugged from your PC, you can also change this option to best performance as well. For now I will return to the balanced power mode, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.